Keurig K-Select Coffee Maker, single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer, with strength control and hot water on demand, matte black. What's in the box? One water filter handle and one filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. Brews multiple cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounce. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes, all with quiet brew technology, minimizing noise during use. Strong brew kicks up your coffee's strength and intensity. Programmable auto off. Large 52-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 5 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Simple button controls, just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and get fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.